Hello folks, I've got 2008 Chevy Impala with a 3.5 liter engine V6, and today I'm going to show you how you replace the EVAP purge solenoid, or some people call them vapor canister purge solenoid, and that's when you need to replace the vapor canister purge solenoid. And the location of that solenoid, really quick, you twist this counterclockwise, you remove this cap or cover, and the solenoid is located right there, being held with size 10 bolt. First thing we need to do is unclip this from the bottom, pull it up, that's the harness right there, and now we need to remove the size 10. Okay, so I got size 10 right here with a small extension. This is size 10 is out. I'm gonna place this right here for now, right there. And we're gonna have to remove this hose, but I'm thinking about removing this hose when I have this out of the place. Okay, it makes it easier for me to remove this. So the way you remove this is, hang on a second here. Alright, so the way you remove this, you need to push this inside all the way, and then you can just pull. I'm trying to do this with one hand. This should come out right there. There you go. So we got a replacement. Remove these covers, and that's our replacement valve. And let's make sure that this does have that little gasket at the bottom here that goes here. Let me put a flashlight right there. So plug this in. You know what, it might just help to grease this area a little bit with a little bit of oil or maybe greaser. So guys, I got a little bit of a greaser here that I'm gonna just put just around the gasket. It makes it a lot easier for it to go in, because I can tell that area is pretty dry, and you don't have to put a lot. It's just a little bit. Yeah, that's enough right there. Wipe my hands. Yeah, see, I just put a little bit on the sides here. Okay, so let's put this in just like that. Twist it to while you're pushing down. Very good. Now put the size 10. And you don't have to go really crazy while you tighten this bolt up. This bolt is just to keep it in a place. That's good enough. Put the hose back in, and when you put the hose, all you have to do, just push down, it will click by itself. There you go. Actually, let's see here. It hasn't clicked, so I think I need to push it a little more down. There we go, it just clicked. Put the electrical harness back in. That's it, folks. Don't forget to put your cover back in. And I'll put this back in a second. Thanks for watching, folks. Do appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this. If you have any questions, comment below and let us know what you think. Thank you.